This is Liquid Lord and Chef Tango with TCAP recipes. And today, we're going to make a salad using only 9 ingredients with John Dupee.
Hello.
Hey, Boo.
Hey, baby.
I see you brought a few of your own ingredients.
Chips. Nice.
All right, so we got Cheetos. Okay, because that totally belongs on a salad. I've never put iced tea on a salad, but what else do you got, Boo?
Thank you.
Thanks, Boo, but I don't know if any of these really go in a salad.
Why?
Well, at least you didn't bring me contraceptives. Nonetheless, none of these belong on a salad. Instead of Cheetos, we're gonna cut up 4 cups of romaine lettuce. I wonder what I should add next.
A hug?
I don't think so, Groomer. However, we should chop and add 1 English cucumber. Don't look at me like that, Boo, because we're gonna chop half of a red onion and add it to our salad. Hey, Boo, how many ingredients is that so far?
It's 14.
No, Boo, it was 3. For our 4th ingredient, we're gonna add some white stuff in the form of 4 ounces of feta cheese.
Probably food and stuff?
Yeah, Boo, the food and stuff. And for our 5th ingredient, we're gonna add half a cup of sliced almonds.
You made a salad, huh? Look at you.
Yeah, you like that, Boo?
Nice. What kind of dressing you like?
With the remaining 4 ingredients, we're gonna make a red wine vinaigrette.
Just don't do it, don't do anything stupid,
We begin with a 1/4 cup of extra Lord olive oil. That's thing 1. Thing 2, we're also gonna add a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Brittany's gonna love this salad.
Who's Brittany?
The girl you were talking to, Boo. Anyway, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And for our 9th ingredient, since us bears love tasting honey, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of honey to our red wine vinaigrette.
Wow.
And now we need to whisk this together really good. But while I'm doing that, I'd like to give a shout out to my generous patrons.
Nice.
And I'd also like to thank everybody holding it down on Streamlabs.
You're so awesome, baby. You know that?
And I'd also like to give my thanks for all the super chats and channel memberships.
I'm not shy.
And finally, I would like to thank viewers like you. And now that our red wine vinaigrette is done, what you've got here is the perfect 9 ingredient salad for partying in mansions for several days.
That was a while ago.
And now that the salad is done, there's just a couple things left to do.
Hey, baby.
Please come over. Sheriff's office, down! Get down!
No!
Put your hands on your back.
Ouch, another blow to Lord. Oh, resting with Johnny, Connecticut.
Daddy's hungry for salad.
And since the salad is gluten-free, it's perfect for Heisenberging. And this has been Liquid Lord and Chef Tango with TCAP recipes. If you enjoy what you saw today, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell for future notifications. Also, I'd recommend checking out this video in the bottom left corner. I think you'll really like it. And don't forget to delete your archives. Bye, sweethearts.